Hello everyone, I am Vishal from Team CLAT Prep. In this video, we are going to have the first impression of SLAT 2021, which was conducted today on 10th of July between 10 am to 11:30 am. SLAT is always known for giving easy papers, and this year too, it was on the expected lines. But there were quite a few changes in the pattern of the questions like the previous year. Every time SLAT used to give 150 questions, but last year due to pandemic situations, there were 75 questions which were supposed to be solved in 75 minutes. And there was a new section introduced, that is VAT, that was of 30 minutes. This year too, the number of questions due to COVID situation was further reduced to 60, and those 60 questions were supposed to be solved in 60 minutes. But surprisingly, there was no change in the pattern of the questions. The questions were quite easy and the students were easily able to solve the paper within 45 to 50 minutes as per the feedback received by them. This year too, again there was a VAT section that was of 30 minutes. In the VAT section, there were 2 topics given to the students, and out of that, only 1 topic was to be written on. Now, let's talk about what number of questions came in each and every section. There were 12 questions in each section. There were 5 sections as usual, that is analytical reasoning, legal reasoning, logical reasoning, general knowledge and reading comprehension, wherein GK surprisingly was on the moderate side. Rest all sections were quite easy to solve. Right, now if we talk about the overall analysis of today's paper, it was quite easy. Expected number of attempts from any student would be 60 because there is no negative marking. So it is obviously expected that each and every student would attempt all the questions. And if we talk about the overall good score for today's paper, that would be somewhere around 46. Now let's talk about this sectional analysis. I mean, what score would be considered as good for each and every section. First, let's talk about logical reasoning. A score of 8 to 9 would be deemed as a good score. Then coming to legal reasoning, a score of 9 to 10 would be considered as good. Then coming to analytical reasoning, a score of 8 to 9 would again be a good score. Coming to reading comprehension, a good score should be somewhere around 10 because the questions were quite direct this time. And then coming to general knowledge, this a score of somewhere around 8 would be considered as a good score. Now let's talk about this sectional analysis. किस तरह के questions किस sections में देखने को मिले? Let's talk about it. So overall difficulty level for the first section, that is logical reasoning, was quite easy. There were quite a few questions based on sequence and series, coding, decoding, analogy, odd one out. Majority of the questions were dominated by coding, decoding and sequence and series. There were few questions based on blood relation, calendars, and there was one question based on how many meaningful letter words can be formed. So the question, actually I remember the question was how many 5-letter meaningful words can be formed by using the word March, by using the letters of the word March. So ये question आया था. बाकी एक question calendar के ऊपर था, एक question blood relation के ऊपर थे. बाकी सारे questions majority dominated किससे था? Sequence and series, coding and decoding, analogy and odd one out. Now overall good score की बात करें, मैंने पहले ही बता दिया था 8 to 9 का स्कोर यहाँ पर आ सकता था. As per the feedback received by the students, इस particular section में there were 2 to 3 questions based on coding and decoding and sequence and series which were tricky enough to be solved. So those were little time consuming. थोड़ा time देते तो वो भी solve हो जाता. Then coming to the next section, that is legal reasoning. Legal reasoning की बात करें, the level of the paper was easy. Majority of the questions were based on principles and facts. There were one question based on assertion and reason, and there was one question which was a surprising factor this time. यहाँ पर एक question ऐसा आया था जहाँ पर आपसे correct order पूछा गया था for a valid contract. So there were 4 to 5 words given to you. You had to arrange them in a proper sequence so that it becomes a correct order for a valid contract. So in this particular section, a student could have been easily able to score somewhere around 9. Then coming to analytical reasoning. For the analytical portion, again questions were based on sequence and series and coding and decoding. So same questions type जो आपके logical reasoning में आया था वही questions analytical में है, बस यहाँ पर क्या difference आया? There was one question based on number series, देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन आइडेंटिफिकेशन ऑफ द मिसिंग नंबर, जो नंबर ग्रिड के अकॉर्डिंग था. एक क्वेश्चन ऑड वन आउट के ऊपर था. देयर वर क्वेश्चंस बेस्ड ऑन सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट, एंड देयर वाज ओनली वन क्वेश्चन which would be talked which would come under the category of critical reasoning, that was identification of the appropriate conclusion from the given statement. So overall अगर रीजनिंग सेक्शन की बात करें तो क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग था ही नहीं, और वैसे भी स्लैट में क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग के क्वेश्चन यूजुअली नहीं आते, बट दिस टाइम देयर वाज वन क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन दिस. नाउ इफ वी टॉक अबाउट अ गुड स्कोर, आइडियल स्कोर फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन, it would be somewhere around 8 to 9. Then next section was reading comprehension. Reading comprehension had 3 passages. The topics of the passages are listed. Number 1, misinformation and media. Number 2, COVID-19 and the nation state. Number 3, medical termination of pregnancy. तो ये 3 topics ऐसे थे which were quite easy. Subject of the topics were easy, quite familiar to the students. So comprehend करना आसान था. Length of the passage was not too big. So बहुत easily students read करके क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व कर रहे थे. अच्छा, मोर ओवर क्वेश्चंस का जो लेवल था वो भी इजी था, बिकॉज दोज वेर डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चंस. आप पैसेजेस अगर अच्छे से पढ़ोगे तो आप क्वेश्चन आराम से सॉल्व कर पाओगे. देयर वर फ्यू वोकैब बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस एज वेल. अगर ओवरऑल स्कोर की बात करें इस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन में, सो ओवरऑल स्कोर वुड बी कंसिडर्ड समवेयर अराउंड 10 to 11 फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन. Next section was general knowledge. The difficulty level would be considered as moderate. To bifurcate, there were 8 questions based on current affairs and 4 questions based on static GK. A good score for this particular section would be somewhere around 8 to 9. Now, after this, there was a VAT section which was given 30 minutes. 2 topics were given to the students for this. The first topic was law has unfolded many shades of dignity for women in India. However, women continue to be within the shackles of patriarchy, discrimination and violence. And the second topic was use of information and communication in Indian judicial system. वैट के ऊपर क्लैट प्रेप ने ऑलरेडी एक वीडियो लॉन्च कर रखा था. सो आफ्टर वॉचिंग द वीडियो, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स हैड गॉट अ फेयर आइडिया हाउ टू अटेम्प्ट दिस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन, एंड इन फैक्ट आवर स्टूडेंट्स हैव डन वेरी वेरी वेल इन दिस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन as per the feedback given by them. So we have some memory based questions as well with us, but that will be uploading on our Telegram channel within few hours. So you can have a look on those questions in our Telegram channel. That's all for SLAT 2021 analysis first impression. Thank you so much.